friends and community members, I've got mail. As you can see, it's in an open box. Got something old that I wanted to get a hold of, test out, because when I do Catch a Crypto TV, right, through either Pellish Miner or Catch a Crypto on YouTube or X or whatever the case may be, Twitter if you want to call it that, I always do a giveaway with crypto mining. And to be honest with you, I wanted to test this out when they came out, but they were way overpriced. Now they're not producing as much. Lithium, I do believe this is what the miner is. So let's see what we have in the box. I'll pop it over with my trusty little old hand tool here. And I'll be right back. Yeah, come here, you. Well, it looks like they kept the foam. You know, I don't know why you would keep the foam and not, oh my gosh, just keep the miner, but apparently they own a bigger, the person I got this from, they own a bigger ASIC off of, from Ice River. I don't think this manual was meant for me, but whatever. Next. Miners, it seems as though I've got the lithium version of the Ice River up here. I see if you don't put a password in there, you don't get anywhere, right? So admin is the password. Should be default 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Right? Very simple. Yes. And this is from where they were sending it to Humpool from the previous person. As you can see, it's only been up for about 1 minute. So I'm going to show you how we change this and get this set up so that we can just put it on Bonk or something over on Mineable. There is no firmware for this. So if you go looking for updates or anything like that, there's nothing on the website over here for either or. Okay? But this is very simple, right? What you're going to need here at Unmineable, say you want to do Wen or Bonk or something like that, is you're going to need the Stratum. Okay? And I will show you exactly how to get to the Stratum here in a minute. You're going to need the coin that you're going to, the POS coin, proof of stake coin, your wallet address, and dot whatever there is. Okay? Say worker name, whatever. If you want the discount, you can put # RPM after the H, right? I'll show you what I mean here in about 2 seconds. When I go over here, this will get it going. This is exactly all you're going to need for the moment as far as setting it up. If you were going to change it in any Chaos Zero or any Ice River, then you would just simply go in here and change it. Copy paste. With this one in particular, make sure you have all the boxes filled in or it will not take it and it'll keep going backwards. Now we've accepted 48 shares, so give me a minute and let's see when it shows up in the pool. Okay, miners, as you can see, I have this up on the pool on Unmineable, and it's been running for, I'll hit the refresh real quick, take a quick look, over 30 minutes. The miner shows on the 5-minute average, of course, it's 428 gigahash, 406 on the 30-minute, and we've gotten 523 shares. I am mining a lithium and having it switch itself, or auto switch, or however you want to call it, to Wen, the cat, on Solana. The pool is not quite caught up with this yet, which is expected because the way that Unmineable works, that pool runs 20 to 30 minutes behind. But it's very simple. Like I said before, all you had to do was go in at Unmineable, like I showed a little while ago, and you have Blake 3, you grab this, and you go in here, Stratum plus TCP, Blake 3, just like that, your coin, your address, and the RPM. I mean, I'm recycling old hardware, I get it, A lot of people aren't really interested in old hardware. But in this case, I've got multiple purposes for it. So I'm not interested in a lithium right now. I'm just interested in stacking proof of work coins, especially with Solana being at $165 a token today. That is a positive for me. So until the next time, I'm going to leave you with this message from one of our sponsors.